All right, so let me show you how this would work if you were installing cabinets. So the idea is you want to get these cabinets and all of your doors in the same spot without having to guess. So you would loosen this and you would put it on your cabinet thickness, and of course this can go with all the standard measurements, but it goes up to 40 millimeters. Standard is going to be 18 millimeters, so you should be fine. Slide it over. Now let's pretend I'm holding the cabinet and I'm going to move this up and down, and that's exactly where I want it to be. So I would just tighten that right there. So now that's in place and this is in place, and I can take my door and I can set my door right on here, and then I can drill in the hinges in the exact same spot. Now when I'm done, I leave this alone, I don't touch this, and I would loosen this, and I can take it to the next side of the door, and we'll swing over here and I'll show you how to put it over there, right? So let's say I want to put it on this door. I would install it right there. I would tighten it down, and then I would set the door on this new one, and it would be set in place, and I could drill my hinges in right there. So all in all, this jig helps you put things in the right place so that you have nice looking doors and they're aligned nicely.